Okay, welcome to chamber 1. I created these chambers as sort of checkpoints for your calisthenics journey. So each chamber, like a mission to complete, a checkpoint to go towards a milestone, if you like. And if you're able to complete that workout within the time frame, that's a good indication that you master those exercises, so you're ready to take it a little bit further and go to chamber 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So chamber 1 is a very basic one. We're working on knee push-ups, scap pulls, ring holds, and a couple of exercises. Every single chamber is designed to get better and improve your handstands, your push-ups, your rows, your pull-ups, also bar skills, so things like along the journey, being able to do muscle-ups and stuff like that, and also to improve your ring work. So we're starting with ring holds for today's workout. So very first thing you need to do is set yourself up. So you have your bar ready. For rows, we are picking a hip height. So whatever your height is, you're gonna set it to your level. That's all ready. Make sure you have a bar ready and some space for your knee push-ups. And also the rings are at the level that it should be, and they're even as well. This is for your ring holds. So for example, straight away I need to set mine up a little bit higher. I don't have necessarily a recommendation for the height of the rings. Just have a height that you're comfortably able to sort of jump to it, but also come down safely. Okay, so in chamber 1, that is 10 seconds frog stand, then right into 20 knee push-ups, then 10 scapular pull-ups, 20 rows at hip height, and then we're gonna finish it off with a 10 second dip hold. So even though this is a timed workout, it doesn't mean that you need to rush through it. So every single exercise and every single repetitions you do should be high quality and work on form more than just trying to get the workout done as quickly as possible. The time is important because we don't want to take ages to do this workout, but at the same time, just make sure that the form is spot on. Okay, let's start with the 10 seconds frog stand. Let me do it in here. So if you need to see the tutorial for this one, just find it in a technique library, or if you watch it on YouTube, I'm sure it's somewhere in the channel as well. Okay, let's go for it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for the 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, quickly shake it off. Let's get ready for knee push-ups. Ideally, you want to be able to have your knees, your hips all the way down here. That's the standard, not up here. Okay, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Perfect. Shake it off. Moving on to the scap pulls. Once again, with the scap pulls, it's not about rushing. It's just about having to engage the right muscles. I like shoulder width, and then later on, as you get better, you can play around with different widths. Okay, so this is your passive hang, active hang, and that's what I call the scapular pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Next one, 20 rows. Hip height, about shoulder width, maybe slightly wider. And you can have it with straight leg, but just make sure you're not pulling to the neck. That's why I prefer having it like in the box position, and it allows me to control my leverage. Let's go for 20. Touch the bar with your chest each time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Perfect. Quick shake off, and the last one, a 10 second dip hold to show that you're able to stabilize yourself under slight fatigue. Straight arm. Make sure you keep the elbows in, keep the wrist in, squeeze your chest. 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh man, my camera just cut out. But basically I was just saying that if you're able to finish this routine within 3 minutes, then you're ready to move on to chamber 2 or chamber 2. And if you couldn't, then you just work your way up to that time. Actually work your way down in terms of the time to be able to finish it within the 3 minutes. And if you can do that, that shows that you build enough strength, control and balance basically to move on to the second chamber. And so forth, we just unlock the chambers until you reach the last one, which is the exciting part. Well done.